Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and as you can see right here on my screen, pure network intelligence. So as you can see right here, pure network intelligence brings about a connection between us and one-time clickers in an attempt to ensure that all registered ad vendors will make profits from their regular display of their various products and services on our website daily. So right here they have packages right here. If I just scroll down all the way here, you can see the packages right here, but I'm going to be talking about Ultima Cycle right here in this video. So you need to watch this video to the very end so that you understand everything. You need to watch it to the very end. If I click on this register right here, you can see right here that you register. You put your first name, last name, email address, um username, password, email address, phone number, and you can see just come right here, select screen, account number, a bank, and coupon code. So right here, if you just come to the package right here, you can see they have Ultima Cycle right here, pure where these are MLS right here. So but I'm going to be talking about this Ultima Cycle right here. The registration is one-time registration of 3,000 naira. So once you purchase coupon code for 3,000 naira, it is here that you're going to put the coupon code, but you come right here and select Ultima Cycle. So if I once you click right there, login, just hold on. I'm going to be telling you how this Ultima Cycle works. So right here, once you click on this, I've read and agree to terms and conditions, and click on this sign up. So once you have purchased the coupon code, but for coupon code, just DM me on WhatsApp for coupon code. So that's very important. So and click on this sign up. As you can see right here, this is what your dashboard will look like. As you can see right here. So this Ultima Cycle, if you ask me how does this work, this is, you don't need to do anything. You just want to wait for your own turn to cash out. So it's just turn by turn to cash out. 3,000 to cash out 7,000 naira. That's just how it works. So anybody that's telling you that Ultima Cycle works in really, no, that person is not telling the truth. It's just for you to wait for your own turn. Once you register with 3,000, you wait for your own turn, because it's turn by turn. You wait for your own turn to cash out 7,000 naira. So right here, before you cash out, so you ask me how do you know that it's your own turn? Your name will not be showing on the dashboard right here, and if you click on these three dots, you can see there will be something like, you can see cash out right here, and you can see resubscribe. So once you cash out, if you want to still go again, you can resubscribe with 1,800. So that's how the platform works. So right here, for you, okay, let me say you want to refer someone, you need to create or you want to create a team. You don't want to wait for your own turn to cash out 7,000 naira. You can just come right here and click on create a team. Once you click on create a team, you can enter team name, and right here you can see you can purchase coupon code of 500 naira for you to create a team. You can just purchase from any of their vendors. You can see right here. So just come right here, you can see just purchase from any of their vendors. Once you click on this create team, just 500 naira to create a team. Just purchase from any of their vendors. So once you refer 3 people on this platform, you are going to be cashing out 10,000 naira. So that's how the platform works. So but if you don't want to create a team, you are going to still earn, because once you register with 3,000 naira, you are going to be cashing out 7,000 naira, just for you to wait for your own turn. So let me just show you how it will look like for you to cash out.
Basically, then if you want to withdraw, you click on menu. You must, before you can withdraw, here must be showing resubscribe and cash out. So you click on cash out to take your money. But note this, what makes you, as in, how do you know that is your turn to cash out? How to know is your turn to cash out? When you're not seeing your name on the list, that means it's your turn to take out your money. Now these are the people on the list. After this person cash out, this person is turn by turn before you cash out. But if you feel like you can't be waiting for your turn, then you can create a team. How to create a team? Go to this place, then create a team, and you can now create a team, your team name, get a coupon code of 500 and create a team. Then you can now refer 3% to cash out 10k. But if you want to take out your money, because when you register, your account number is already there, so you just go to menu and click on cash outs. Put how much you want to cash out. This person is cashing out 10,000 naira. Yeah, that's it. 10k, then you cash out. That's it.
So now that you have understand how this website works, so if you are interested, I believe that every opportunity is not for everyone. So if you are interested, just DM me on WhatsApp for registration. Um, if you are interested, just DM me on WhatsApp for registration, because the first 10 people, I'm going to be registering them with 2,700 instead of 3,000, so that if you earn, I earn. So the first 10 people, I'm going to be registering them with 2,700. Very, very important. Once I register those 10 people, others will be 3,000 for coupon code and registration. So, but for the first 10 people, I'm going to be registering them for 2,700. So, if you actually find a value in this video, just give me a like in this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. If you are new to my channel, what I do in this channel is I make videos how to make money online, and I also review websites like scam websites for you not to waste your time on any platform. So I make this how to make money online. What I basically did that I trust things online. If I find out something working for me, what I'm making money online platform that is making me money, I record video right here by showing you guys what I'm doing, how I'm making the money, so that I can do the same thing and get access and results. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and give me a like in this video if you find a value. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.